Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class we studied about the Mughal period, and today we are discussing about emergence of new kingdom. You know that in the medieval period we covered many topics such like Rajputa and Chola Empire, Delhi Sultanate, and the Mughal period. So let us start with emergence of new kingdom. You know that after decline, starting of Mughal period in 1707, new kingdom emerges such like independent subsidiary kingdom and more other. In the subsidiary kingdom, you know the Awadh, Bengal, and the Hyderabad. In the independent kingdom, having the Maratha, the Jaipur, etc., and Jat also there. So let us start with the basic prelims questions. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the life of Shivaji? He was born at Sibner in 1627 years. His father was Shahaji Bhosle and mother is Jijabai. Yes. Afzal Khan was murdered by Shivaji in 1659 years. He inherited the Jagir of Pune, not Jabil. So fourth statement is correct. Correct statement 1, 2, 3. So answer is A. Various factors contributed to the rise of Maratha in the 16th and 17th century, which of the following are among them. The physical environment of the Maratha country shaped certain peculiar qualities among the Maratha. Yes, the mountain region and dense forest made them brave soldiers and adopt guerrilla forces. Yes, the spirit of the Bhakti movement in the Maharashtra inculcated a spirit of religious unity among them. Yes, the political unity conferred by Shivaji. This is also there. The correct statement is 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to political campaign of the Shivaji? In 1657, he attacked the Bijapur kingdom and captured a number of hill forts in the Konkan region. These statements are correct. He made an attack on the Sisant Khan military camp at the Surat in 1660 and killed his son Bonded Khan. No, Sushant Singh Khan attacked the Shivaji and captured the Shiva, defeated the Shivaji. So second statement incorrect. In 1664, Shivaji attacked Surat. Yes. Afzal Khan was murdered by Shivaji. Yes. So correct statement is 1, 3, and 4. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Shivaji? According to the Treaty of Purandar, Shivaji had to surrender 23 forts to the Mughals out of 35 forts held by him. Yes, Shivaji visited in Agra in 1666, but he was imprisoned there. Yes, in 1674, Shivaji crowned himself at Raigad and assumed the title of Chhatrapati. This statement is also correct. Correct statement is 1, 2, 3. So answer is D. Which of the following pairs is not matched regarding Shivaji administration? Peshwa, called as a prime minister, yes. Sir in Naubat is called a military commander or honorary post. These statements are correct. Wakil Navis is intelligence post and household affairs, yes. And Sumanta is the master of ceremony. What is that? Sumanta is the master of ceremony, not Sachiv. So these statements are incorrect. Asking what incorrect statements, so answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Shivaji revenue administration? Chaut and Sardamesh Mukhi were tax collected from the Maratha kingdom. No. Chaut and Sardesh Mukhi were the tax collected from non-Maratha kingdom such like Mughal Empire. So first statements are incorrect. Lands were measured by using the measuring rod called kathi. Yes. Lands were classified into three categories: paddy, fields, garden, and hilly track. Yes. He appointed his own revenue official called Karkuns. Yes. So 2, 3, 4 correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Shivaji armed forces? Shivaji army consists of about 30,000 to 40,000 cavalry supervised by Habildar. Yes. Maratha cavalry Bargir was occupied and paid by the state. Yes. Maratha cavalry Sildhar was maintained by the nobles. Shivaji did not maintain any navy. No, Shivaji maintained a small navy. So fourth statement incorrect. Correct statement is 1, 2, 3. So answer is A. In 1719, Balaji Vishwanath got certain rights from the Mughal Emperor Farrukh Shah. Which of the following statement include one? Mughal Emperor recognized the Shahu as the Maratha king. Yes, he allowed Shahu to collect Chauth Sardamukhi from 6 Mughal provinces of the Deccan, including the Carnatic and Mysore. Yes. So correct statement is 1 and 2. So answer is, you know, the Chauth having 1 by 4th Vag and the Sardamukhi having 1 by 10th Vag. Okay, let us start with next questions. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Maratha Peshwa Bajirao first? Maratha power reached its zenith under him. Yes. He initiated the system of confederacy among the Maratha chiefs. Yes. Under the system of confederacy, each Maratha chief was assigned a territory which could be administered autonomously. Yes. Many Maratha families become prominent and establish their authority in the different parts of country. Yes. So correct statement 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is D. Consider the following statement. The full control of the Maratha kingdom were come under the Peshwa during the Peshwaship of the Balaji Bajirao. These statements are correct. The Maratha fought very bravely against the Ahmad Shah Abdali in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761, but by defeated. Yes. So correct statement is 1, 2, C. 1, 2. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct regard to the origin of the Rajputa? There are several theories about the origin of Rajputa. They were considered as the descendant of the foreign invader of the Indian Kshatriya. Yes, the foreign invaders were Indianized and absorbed into Indian society. Yes, Gujar Pratihara were the earliest of the Rajputa rulers. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Consider the following statement. The first great leader of the Gujarat Pratihara was Harishchandra, who made his capital Binamal. Vigraharaj was the most important Chauhan king who occupied Delhi. This statement is also correct. This statement is also correct. Correct statement 1 to 2. So answer is C. Consider the following statements are correct. Jaipur earlier is called Amber in the eastern Rajasthan. Was a Rajput principality controlled by the Kachwaha clan in the early 18th century. Yes, Kachwaha ruler Jai Singh Savai took steps to increase his power by arranging to have his Jagir assignment in the vicinity of home territory. Yes, 1 to correct statement. So answer is C. Consider the following statement. Prithvi Raj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Gauri in the first battle of Tarain near Delhi in 1191. Yes, in the second battle of Tarain in 1192, Muhammad Gauri thoroughly routed the army of Prithviraj, who was captured and killed. The Rajput princes exhausted one another by their mutual conflict. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following missiles of the Sikh is not matched with the Mishaldar? Ahulwalia. Jasa Singh Ahluwalia, who also became the supreme commander of all the messages. Bhangi. Bhangi is known as Hari Singh of the village Punjab, also known as Bhuma Singh. Dhalvelia. Dhalvelia is the Gulab Singh, no Nawab Kumar Singh. Gulab Singh of the village Dhalvelia. So correct incorrect statement is C. Fulkiya, Ala Singh of Patiala district. Yes. So here asking about incorrect statement. So answer is C. With reference to the Battle of Bagsar, consider the following statement. Mir Jafar, the son-in-law of the Mir Qasim, claimed for the Nawabsi of the Bengal. Note, Mir Qasim, the son-in-law of the Mir Jafar, not Mir Jafar. So these statements are incorrect. The combined army of the three powers meet an English army commanded by Major Munro in the Battle of Buxar. Yes. So correct statement is 2. So answer is B. Which of the following statements is true about the Tipu Sultan? The Anglo-Mysore War began in 1789 and Tipu was defeated by English. Yes. The Treaty of the Pondicherry occurred between the English and Tipu Sultan. No Treaty of Pondicherry signed between the Tipu Sultan and English. So second statement incorrect. Founded Jacobean Club, planted the tree of liberty at the Srirangpatnam. Yes, 1 2 correct statements. 1 3 is correct statements. Answer is A. With reference to the cause of the Battle of Plassey, consider the following statements are correct. The English did not pay any tax on trade as permitted by Frobisher. Yes. The British were paying tax on trade. No, not paying out tax. Sirajuddaula enforced tax and occupied Fort William. Yes. Mir Jafar played important role in the Battle of Plassey as he was bribed. Yes. So correct statement 1 3 4. So answer is A. Which of the following was where regions of the success of European trading company in the South India during the 17th century? The presence of the Mughal in the south was not as much as in the north. Yes, the Vijayanagar kingdom has been overthrown in the late 16th century. Yes, south had many small and big states. Yes, 1 2 3 correct statement. So answer is A. Consider the following statement. In the Third Battle of Panipat, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Abraham Lodi No defeated the Maratha Empire. So first statement incorrect. Tipu Sultan was killed in the Third Anglo-Mysore War. No, Tipu Sultan killed in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So second statement incorrect. Mir Jafar entered in conspiracy with the English for the defeat of the Nawab Sirajuddaula in the Battle of Plassey. Yes. So third statement is only correct. So answer is B. Mughal painting reached its zenith under the region of the Jagir. So answer is C. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Jagir, in the region of Jagir, William Hawkins come. In the region of Jagir, Sir Thomas Roe come. So incorrect statement is B. Shah Jahan during the period having Trevenier come. In the region of the Aurangzeb, Manushi come. So here asking our incorrect statement. So answer is B. The motive behind Shah Jahan's bulk campaign was to secure a friendly ruler in the Balkh and the Badashan which border Kabul. These statements are correct statements. So answer is A. Alam Khan, one of those who invited Babur to invade India, was an uncle of Ibrahim Lodi and he pretended to throne of Delhi. Yes. So answer is A. Bhakti Tukaram was a contemporary of the which of the Mughal Empire? This is the empire of the Jahangir contemporary. So answer is C. Thank you for that.